Traveling is a gateway to exploration and learning, providing a break from routine and an opportunity to discover the world. However, it also comes with its set of challenges, particularly when it comes to maintaining health and well-being. For women, these challenges can be unique and varied, from managing menstrual health to ensuring personal safety in unfamiliar environments. This guide is designed to offer practical advice and strategies to help women stay healthy and enjoy their travels to the fullest. Planning and preparation. Before embarking on any journey, thorough research about your destination is crucial. This includes understanding the local culture, climate, and any health advisories or precautions you need to take. Health risks and vaccinations. Check for any required or recommended vaccinations. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, and the World Health Organization, WHO, are excellent resources for up-to-date health information. Local healthcare facilities. Familiarize yourself with the locations of hospitals and clinics in the areas you'll be visiting. Knowing where to go in case of an emergency can save valuable time. Cultural norms. Understanding local customs and traditions can help you blend in and avoid unnecessary attention. This is particularly important in regions with strict dress codes or social norms. Packing essentials. Packing smart is key to ensuring you have everything you need to stay healthy and comfortable on your trip. Medications and supplements. Bring an adequate supply of any prescription medications you take, as well as common over-the-counter medicines such as pain relievers, antihistamines, and antidiarrheal tablets. It's also wise to carry a first aid kit with bandages, antiseptic wipes, and other essentials. Travel health kit. Include items like hand sanitizer, insect repellent, sunscreen, and a reusable water bottle. These can help you maintain hygiene and stay protected from environmental hazards. Comfort items. Don't forget to pack items that will make your journey more comfortable, such as a travel pillow, eye mask, and earplugs for long flights or bus rides. Health and travel insurance. Having comprehensive travel insurance is vital. Ensure your policy covers medical emergencies, trip cancellations, lost luggage, and other potential issues. Medical coverage. Check that your insurance includes coverage for medical evacuation, which can be crucial if you fall seriously ill or injured in a remote location. Travel assistance services. Some insurance plans offer 24/7 travel assistance, which can help you find local medical services, arrange emergency transportation, and provide other support as needed. Healthy eating on the road. Maintaining a healthy diet while traveling can be challenging, but is essential for staying energized and avoiding illness. Choosing nutritious foods. Local produce. Opt for fresh, local fruits and vegetables whenever possible. These are often the most nutritious options and can be a delicious way to experience the local cuisine. Balanced meals. Try to balance your meals with a good mix of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Look for grilled or steamed options rather than fried foods, and incorporate whole grains and lean proteins into your diet. Healthy snacks. Carry healthy snacks like nuts, dried fruit, or granola bars. These can be lifesavers when you're on the go and don't have access to healthy meal options. Managing dietary restrictions. Research and preparation. If you have dietary restrictions or allergies, research your destination's cuisine and learn how to communicate your needs in the local language. Apps like Google Translate can be helpful in these situations. Restaurant choices. Seek out restaurants that cater to dietary needs. Many major cities have vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, and other specialty restaurants. Self-catering. Consider booking accommodations with kitchen facilities. This allows you to prepare your own meals and have greater control over your diet. Hydration tips. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when traveling in hot climates or engaging in physical activities. Always carry a water bottle and refill it regularly. Avoid unsafe water. In some destinations, tap water may not be safe to drink. Stick to bottled or filtered water and be cautious with ice in drinks. Electrolyte balance. If you're traveling to a particularly hot or humid destination, consider bringing electrolyte tablets or powders to add to your water. This can help prevent dehydration and maintain your energy levels. Staying active while traveling. Keeping up with physical activity can be challenging while on the road, but it's important for maintaining overall health and well-being. Incorporating exercise. Walking tours. One of the best ways to explore a new place is on foot. Walking tours can provide exercise while allowing you to see the sights up close. Local gyms and classes. Many hotels offer fitness facilities and local gyms often have day passes available. Additionally, look for local fitness classes like yoga, Pilates, or dance, which can be a fun way to stay active and meet new people. Outdoor activities. Take advantage of outdoor activities such as hiking, biking, or swimming. These activities not only provide exercise, but also allow you to experience the natural beauty of your destination. Walking tours and local activities. Engaging in local activities can be a great way to stay active and immerse yourself in the culture. City walking tours. Many cities offer guided walking tours that cover historical sites, cultural highlights, and hidden gems. These tours can be a great way to get your steps in while learning about the area. Cultural classes. Consider taking a dance class, martial arts lesson, or other activity that is unique to the region. This can be a fun and active way to experience the local culture. Outdoor adventures. Look for opportunities to participate in outdoor adventures such as kayaking, paddleboarding, or horseback riding. These activities can provide a unique perspective on your destination and keep you physically active. Hotel room workouts. If you find yourself with limited time or access to fitness facilities, hotel room workouts can be an effective solution. Bodyweight exercises. Exercises such as push-ups, squats, lunges, and planks can be done without any equipment. These exercises can help you stay fit and strong during your travels. Yoga and stretching. Incorporating yoga or stretching into your daily routine can help alleviate the physical strain of travel. Many online platforms offer free yoga and stretching routines that can be done in a small space. Resistance bands. Lightweight and easy to pack, resistance bands can provide a full-body workout without taking up much space in your luggage. They can be used for a variety of exercises, including strength training and stretching. Managing stress and mental health. Travel can be stressful, especially when dealing with unfamiliar environments and potential language barriers. Taking care of your mental health is just as important as maintaining your physical health. Maintaining a balanced routine. Sleep hygiene. Maintaining good sleep hygiene is crucial, especially when dealing with jet lag. Try to keep a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Balance schedule. While it's tempting to pack your days with activities, be sure to schedule some downtime. Balancing sightseeing with rest can help prevent burnout and keep you feeling your best. Self-care. Don't forget to take time for self-care. Whether it's a relaxing bath, a good book, or a quiet walk, make sure to prioritize activities that help you recharge. Staying connected with loved ones. Regular check-ins. Keep in touch with family and friends back home. Regular check-ins can provide emotional support and help you feel connected. Social media. Use social media to share your experiences and stay connected with your network. This can be a great way to keep loved ones updated on your travels and share highlights from your journey. Travel companions. If you're traveling with others, make sure to communicate and support each other. Traveling with friends or family can provide companionship and enhance your travel experience. Women's health concerns. Women may face specific health concerns while traveling. Addressing these concerns proactively can help ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Menstrual health and hygiene. Menstrual products. Make sure to pack an adequate supply of your preferred menstrual products, such as tampons, pads, or menstrual cups. Consider using products that are compact and easy to transport. Pain management. If you experience menstrual pain, bring along pain relief medications like ibuprofen or a heating pad. Hygiene. Maintaining hygiene during your period is important. Carry wet wipes and hand sanitizer for situations where clean facilities are not available. Accessing medical care. Know your options. Research the availability and quality of medical care at your destination. Understand how to access local healthcare services in case of an emergency. Travel clinics. If you have specific health concerns, consider visiting a travel clinic before your trip. They can provide personalized advice and vaccinations tailored to your destination. Medical information. Carry a copy of your medical information, including any chronic conditions, allergies, and medications. This can be crucial in case you need medical assistance. Safety tips for women travelers. Personal safety is a top priority when traveling. Here are some tips to help you stay safe on the road. Staying aware and alert. Trust your instincts. If something feels off, trust your instincts and remove yourself from the situation. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Stay alert. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in crowded or unfamiliar areas. Avoid distractions such as using your phone or listening to music with headphones. Avoid risky areas. Research areas that are known to be unsafe and avoid them. Stick to well-lit, populated areas, especially at night. Safe transportation choices. Reliable transportation. Use reputable transportation options such as licensed taxis, rideshare services, or public transportation. Seatbelt safety. Always wear your seatbelt when available, even in taxis and rideshares. This simple step can greatly reduce the risk of injury in an accident. Stay sober. Avoid excessive alcohol consumption, especially when traveling alone or in unfamiliar areas. Staying sober can help you stay alert and make safer decisions. Protecting personal belongings. Secure your valuables. Keep your valuables, such as passports, money, and electronics, in a secure location. Consider using a money belt or hidden pouch to keep these items safe. Avoid flashy displays. Don't display expensive jewelry or large amounts of cash. This can make you a target for theft. Back up important documents. Make copies of important documents such as your passport, ID, and travel insurance. Store these copies separately from the originals. Conclusion: traveling as a woman comes with its own set of challenges, but with the right preparation and mindset, it can be a safe, healthy, and incredibly rewarding experience. By following the tips and strategies outlined in this guide, you can stay healthy while exploring the world and create memories that will last a lifetime. Whether you're embarking on a solo adventure or traveling with friends and family, prioritize your well-being and enjoy every moment of your journey. If you enjoyed our video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also check out our other videos for more health and wellness tips and tricks to being the best version of you.